What's going on, viewers? MV here with a tutorial on how to properly update your Xkey remote to version 1.1. This update allows your Xkey remote to turn on and power off alongside with the Xbox rather than just consistently staying on as it currently should normally do. First things first, you want to head over to the Xkey website, register your product, create a login, then head over to downloads. Once you get to this page, you want to scroll down to the firmware update version 1.1 is the latest and only update for this Xkey remote. Select the link, download the zip file, and save it to your desktop, which I have here. Once you extract that zip file, it'll reveal these three files here, which is the remote update file, the readme file, as well as the upper execution file, which is the program you'll use to update your Xkey remote. So you'll go ahead, open up the readme file. Reading through it, it seems simple enough, but as I've noticed with the Xkey products, they kind of leave out a couple of obvious troubleshooting steps, which I'm going to help you guys walk through in a minute. You read through it and follow the steps, which would be opening up the upper execution file. And right off the bat, you'll notice a difference in regards to what the text says and what's actually being opened. Here you have updater version 1.112, where the text file reads it should be updater version 1.3. But like many others and myself, I just choose to ignore it. Maybe it's just, a simple version update problem. You go ahead, you open, you'll go switch to program updates, and you'll open that update file, and then it'll tell you to go ahead, go to programmer, go to update programmer firmware. And usually what people get is this error here, size 300C00H error, connection error, which pretty much means your Xkey wasn't properly updated. So what you want to do in order to get around this error is close out the execution file. I'm going to go ahead and close out the notepad since the steps are pretty much self-explanatory. I'm going to select the upper execution file, head over to properties. Now you want to select the compatibility tab, and under compatibility mode you want to select run this program in compatibility mode. Now you're going to have a drop down, gives you a bunch of service packs, updates that you have on your operating system at the moment. I'm running Windows Vista 64-bit, but I noticed there's a Windows XP service pack. It's one of the operating systems along with Vista, Windows 7. It's one that makes sense in regards to what service pack will actually be applied to my system. So I go ahead and select Windows XP Service Pack 2, whatever the latest one is on your operating system. Go ahead and select it. Click Apply and click OK. Now you're going to rerun the upper execution file as administrator once more. And now you'll notice that the updater is at version 1.3 as it's supposed to be. So you're going to go ahead and continue the steps as normal. Go ahead, program updates, remote, program, update program firmware, and there you go. You'll see it start loading the file. Page 3030, done, code started. You heard that little sound. My Xkey has just been updated to 1.1. It even reads it on the remote display. And now you noticed all of this has changed up top as well. Really doesn't mean much to me. Again, as long as the Xkey does display the 1.1, you should be fine. Now just to backtrack, hopefully you learn how to connect it if you're watching this video. If not, simple connection. Unplug it from the back of your Xbox. Hold the up and down arrows as you plug it into your laptop, and it should open up basically a standby mode in which you guys can use this program. But I hope this video has helped. Hope you can now enjoy your new remote option and don't have to worry about it staying on regardless if your Xbox is off. If this video has helped you, like, subscribe, More Xkey and Xbox videos to come. So stay tuned. Envy, over and out.